Hey guys, this is Aparna Shah and that's Jatin Shah. So thank you so much for all the love that you gave us in our last video. We decided we'll try and come up with as many videos that we can so we can entertain you because we also frankly really enjoyed making these videos.
So आज का टॉपिक है 5 annoying things और ये जो annoying things है ना मैंने अपर्णा से शेयर नहीं किया क्योंकि अगर शेयर कर देता तो ये चेंजेस करवा देती.
That is right actually.
So 5 चीजें हैं जो अपर्णा की मुझे पसंद नहीं है या फिर जिससे मुझे इरिटेशन होती है. So let's start.
Yes, actually बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. We are just coming up with 5 because हम आपको बोर नहीं करना चाहते with a very long video.
So the first habit which I don't like is यार जब बैठ के सोते हैं ना तो ऐसा डिसाइड करती है 50% अपर्णा का पार्ट है 50% मेरा पार्ट है. लेकिन अब ऐसा हो गया है कि 80% अपर्णा के पास रहता है 20% मेरे पास रहता है. मैं सावधान की पोजीशन पे सोता हूँ और सावधान की पोजीशन पे उठता हूँ.
Okay, yeah, that's right actually. That's also because most of the times Ashrika is with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
ये कवर अप.
So, okay. Yeah, so the biggest annoying habit that he has is, so the maid comes at her particular time. She asks us क्या खाना है. She'll make it and she'll go, right? सबके घर में ऐसा ही होता है. Now when the maid comes and we ask him, जतिन क्या खाना है? Maid has come बनाने. He will like अभी तो भूख नहीं लगी, तो मैं अभी कैसे बताऊँ क्या खाना है? And once the maid goes, then अब भूख लगी है मुझे ये खाना है. Which is so irritating because then I have to end up making those things.
थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. So the second habit which I don't like is बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है अपर्णा को. वो जो हम बचपन में चाचा चौधरी देखते थे ना कि साबू को जब गुस्सा आता है तो कहीं कुछ ज्वालामुखी फटता है. हमारे घर में भी ऐसे ही ज्वालामुखी फटते हैं. हाँ लेकिन बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि वो 5-10 मिनट के लिए रहता है उसके बाद सब चीज़ें ओके हो जाती है. मतलब मेरी जो लगती है वो सिर्फ 5-7 मिनट के लिए लगती है. सो गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है लेकिन उतने जल्दी चला भी जाता है.
Now that was the cover up. Okay, so the second habit that I don't like about him is he along with all his brothers and my side of brothers, I don't know why all of them have this habit that they all keep shaking their legs. खाली बैठे हुए हैं leg shake कर रहे हैं, which is so irritating. And most of the boys, I don't know why, like at least my side of the family and his side of the family, most of them have this habit, which is very irritating.
Okay, moving on. Third habit. यार इंसान चाय पीता है सुबह शाम पीता है उठता है जब पीता है या शाम को कभी मन हो तो पी लेता है. अपर्णा कम से कम दिन में 5 से 7 बार चाय पीती है और उससे भी बड़ी बात यह है कि वो सिर्फ मेरे हाथ की पीती है. मतलब क्या मेड से बना लिया इट्स ओके लेकिन वो चाय मुझे ही बनानी पड़ती है क्योंकि मेरे हाथ की चाय ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. तो मैं लॉकडाउन में परेशान हो जाता हूँ 10 बार 7 बार 10 बार 5 बार चाय बनाकर.
Yeah, so lockdown, we are only at home, we are getting bored, what else to do? और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So we are having tea. And also, I'm an awesome cook, but चाय मुझसे नहीं बनती यार. I can't have my own घर का टी. मतलब it is so bad that when we invite friends over in the evenings and all, they're like चाय नहीं पिलाओगी, जतिन पिलाएगा तो हम आएंगे. So imagine like इतना गंदा चाय why would I have of my own? Obviously he'll have to make it, right?
Okay.
Okay, now the next habit that I don't like of his is, other than acting, if it's about acting, like if he has to go for his shoot, you tell him at 4 in the morning that he has to reach, he'll wake up at 2 with all the excitement and he'll be ready and happy and going. But other than his shoot, he is extremely lazy in everything. मतलब कोई भी काम होगा, he'll end up saying, हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, तो क्या हुआ शाम को कर लेता था, अभी शाम को भूल गया सुबह कर लेता था, which is so irritating.
थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. मतलब मैं काम करने की कोशिश उसी टाइम पे करता हूँ आजकल पर अभी भी स्कोर खराब है. ओके मूविंग ऑन. नेक्स्ट हैबिट व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक इज शी इज वे टू पर्टिकुलर. मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कोई काम करना है तो सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है. मतलब ऐसा इसके बाद ऐसा ही होगा उसके बाद ऐसा ही होगा. अच्छा फर्स्ट के बाद अगर आपने थर्ड कर दिया तो नहीं वो सेकंड कहाँ गया. सो मतलब शी इज जस्ट वे टू पर्टिकुलर. हम मेरे साथ तो कभी अगर ऐसा होता तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सीबीआई आ गई है ईडी भी आ गई है और पुलिस भी आ गई है. सारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन एक साथ चल रहा है कि कहीं कोई गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. जैसा वो हो गया वैसा ही होना चाहिए. सो which is very annoying sometimes.
Yeah, but I feel that is one of my greatest habits that I have, because when you do things in particularity, it just becomes easier और आप कुछ skip ही नहीं करते हो, so there's no chance for you to go wrong. I mean, whatever.
इससे आप सोच सकते हैं मेरी कैसी लगती होगी. All the time CBI मेरे साथ ही रहती है.
हाँ, because I like everything absolutely correct. Okay,
Right.
I'll read the next one. Okay, this is the biggest one. So he's very good with planning birthdays and anniversaries, okay? Like anyone's birthday, Goa mein his friends or Basda mein his friends, Delhi mein his friends, cake will reach and flowers will reach, anniversaries pe things will happen. But when it comes to my birthdays, nothing happens. He's also not available most of the time. So I'll tell you this story. Goa story. So past 2 birthdays, so he has a gang of around 14-15 friends in college. They all decided to go to Goa around the same time of my birthday. Ab 15 लोगों का plan है, so obviously you can't say नहीं मेरा birthday आप नहीं जाओगे. So he ended up going around 26-27th of July, and he's like मैं 31st को आ जाऊँगा and 1st August is my birthday. So I was like ठीक है. Now first time when he went for his all boys trip, he came on first evening, and I was fuming. चलो, then he came, he's like sorry late हो गया, flight का problem था, whatever, and now he ended up getting a cake. नहीं, actually cake भी खुद नहीं लाया. He told my sister-in-law who was staying with me that time that please cake arrange करके रखना, नहीं तो बहुत भड़केगी. Now we cut the cake after all the anger, and he gives me the first bite and the cake is सड़ा हुआ. Now imagine, whole day he's not reached. Night he reaches, around 10:30-11 he reached, and the cake is सड़ा हुआ. Okay, and जब फिर cake खराब हुआ, I was so angry. He had a shoot next day. मैंने अपनी car, I have a Nissan Sunny. I called up one of his friend who has workshop. So I called him. I said भैया आप मेरी गाड़ी ले जाओ और I am having a lot of issues, तो आप देख लेना उसमें क्या करना है. Now he's like भाभी प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है? आज एक आप लेके जाओ, आप पूरी चेकिंग करा लो. So then he calls, and then उनके mechanics, you know how it is. Until you tell them this is the problem, they'll come up with 70 problems. So they call, they're like, मैम इसमें ये दिक्कत है, ये चेंज कर दो. आज एक हाँ ओरिजिनल चेंज करना. Then again they're like, मैम इसमें ये दिक्कत है, ये चेंज करते हैं. आज एक हाँ भैया आप चेंज करो, आप कॉल मत करो, आप पूरी लिस्ट बना लो, चेंज कर लो और बिल जतिन को भेज देना.
मतलब हमारे मैकेनिक्स हैं यार, लोकल मैकेनिक्स हैं, वो कर देते हैं ठीक. मतलब कुछ हजारों में काम होने वाला था उसका, 40,000 रुपए लगे मुझे उस शोरूम से गाड़ी बन के आई.
Yeah, so that's how I tortured him for both my birthdays.
आप समझ सकते हैं कितना महंगा ट्रिप है.
Now to top that up, I was like ठीक है हो गया लड़ाई वड़ाई, we ended it up. Next year, again around 25th, 26th of July, one of my bhabhi calls and she's like he has to go and pick up some his cousin from Goa because भैया के eyes में कुछ problem हो गया था, तो he had to drive him back. So I was like ठीक है, now this is also one major thing. So I told him अभी जा रहे हो please first के पहले आ जाना, मतलब गोवा जाके 1-2 दिन तो person has to stay. I agree. He's like हाँ first को नहीं, मैं इस बार तो 31st को आऊँगा, 31st July को I will come and I will celebrate your birthday. I was like ठीक है. Now I didn't make any plans with any other friends because he was going to be there. Now he reaches, I call him up on 31st. He's like बस शाम को निकल रहे हैं. शाम को I call him up and he's like बस early morning निकल जाएंगे. I'll reach you before you wake up. I was like ठीक है. अब I woke up and he's still not there. Afternoon goes, evening goes, then I get a call. Baby मैं half an hour में पहुँच रहा हूँ. I was like बेटा तुम आप ना वहीं रहो. I am not going to open the door for sure. And then one of his very close sister, who's my best friend from college, he calls her up and she calls me. She's like Appu कितने पे compromise करेंगे? I said dude इस बार है ही नहीं. I am not taking him inside my house only. मेरा second birthday he spoiled. He should have at least told me. I would have made my plans with my school friends or college friends, you know.
फिर नेहा का फोन मेरे पास आता कि जतिन मेरी बात हुई है, पैसे लगेंगे. मैंने कहा कितने? बोलते फुट मसाजर. मैंने कहा पागल हो गई, 40,000 का आता है. तो बोलते देखो भाई कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहा है तो इसी बात पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा, मैं बात करा दूंगी.
And he is so cheap. I told Neha, I was like foot massager के संग आएंगे तो I will let him enter. Now he's so cheap. He's telling Neha, अप्पू मेरा फोन नहीं उठा रही है, प्लीज फोन करके पूछ OLX से ले लो. So imagine your husband doesn't reach you for 2 consecutive years, and then when you don't let him enter, he wants to buy you stuff from home.
पर प्रपोजल जब आया ना,
हाँ, but I did ask him to get, and he came up.
बहुत
today.
महंगी ट्रिप पड़ी। तो अगली बार कभी ऐसे वाइफ्स के बर्थडे अगर आप मिस कर रहे हैं तो सोच समझ के जाना, बहुत पैसे खर्च हो सकते हैं एक्स्ट्रा।
So now, अब I've learnt my lesson. I know he forgets और बहुत पैसे में खर्च मतलब I end up making him spend. So then I've realized I remind him and Ashrika like 20 days before my birthday. मेरा birthday है. It should go well. नहीं गया तो आपको पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे और आपको you will get punished. So cutely enough, both of them with full pressure. एक महीने पहले से planning मम्मा का birthday आ रहा है, otherwise disaster हो जाएगा. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
So the last habit which I don't like, वैसे तो बहुत सारी हैं, पर हम 5 पे खत्म करेंगे। Sometimes she becomes too messy. मतलब कपड़े यहाँ पे, मेकअप का सामान वहाँ पे, ब्लैंकेट कहीं, तो कभी कभार सिचुएशन रहती है, वो हमेशा नहीं, कभी
I have my crocodile days. So those days I don't do anything. So like month में I get my 2-3 days of crocodile days. उस दिन मैं कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. I don't even like give खाना to Aku. Like that day he has to handle everything. So yeah, those are the days that it is very bad.
That day मैं करता ही हूँ हर दिन के डेली बेसिस पे।
Morning who wakes up?
Morning who wakes up?
He wakes up at 6:30. I get up at 8. So
6:30
that's
बजे उठने वाला आदमी।
तो 6:30 बजे कौन उठता है यार? 8 बजे ही उठते हैं ना लोग नॉर्मल। So guys, these were the annoying habits that we have of each other. बहुत सारे और हैं और हम बहुत जोर जोर से लड़ते भी हैं. But it's just that what I want to tell all of you is that at the end of everything, all the fights and all the anger, we realize why we came together. That is because I'm extremely fond of him and my life cannot go on without him, and I believe he feels the same. So हर लड़ाई के बाद we end up patching up. And what I am trying to imply here is please lado, because that is the spice of life. I love fighting. I love fighting with him. I love fighting with my friends, and बहुत मजा आता है when you fight and then you take it out and then you come back and you sit and laugh कि अच्छा तुमने गुस्से में ये बोला. It's a lot of fun, but don't continue the fight for as long as it hampers the relation. It should never hamper your relation. So until we see you again, have a superb day.
Ta-da! You're recording anyway. You're recording anyway.